Mayang hapon, everybody. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams. Today is September 28th, 2019, the first day of the rest of our lives. It's around 1 o'clock, and we are doing our bi-monthly Spaghettifest. Keep in mind that I'm not a charity and that I don't do any of the actual work on this because foreigners aren't allowed to work in the Philippines. So it's all Filipino volunteers. It's actually kids from our neighborhood and their father that are doing all the actual work. And Chichai's here and Janice is here. And Bud Brown can't be with us today, but he's with us in spirit. And special thanks to Bud Brown for letting us use his Molly Mobile once again. So what I do, I have a Patreon, and what I do is I take the money from the Patreon and put most of it towards the Spaghettifest. So thank you to all the Patreons, especially to Rico, who's been with us for a super long time. And so props to you all, and thank you. And this is it, and there's more people coming. There's always more people coming. And we'll just show some more footage from this. Alright, so they just loaded up the chariot. These are all condiments and stuff. So that's 150 spaghetti meals. Thank you, gentlemen. And this cat's insane. Hi, Knuckle. Hi, Knuckle. Okay, so here's the totals yesterday from the Spaghettifest. That's the 150 Mac spaghettis. That was 9,300. Then we got a bunch of McFillets and some other stuff for all the volunteers. And then we got 621, I'm not sure. So basically what this all is, 168 meals went out. So thanks again to all the Patreons. And so Ned, that's Chichai. And that's her crazy cat. And we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.